friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a good weekend or a great weekend actually. But here today to share with you some of my new BB craft items for this month. Super excited to show you what I got. So I got some different stuff. What should I start with? Let me see. It's so fun. I will have BB Craft listed below my video, their website, and I have a coupon for you also. If you happen to need anything, go over there and check them out because they have so many items. If you've never looked at their website, you will be surprised because it just goes on and on. It's like everything you could possibly want, pretty much, it seems like. But I got this little trim here. Let me see where it starts. If I can figure out where it starts. It looked okay. There's a pin holding it together here, and it's okay. This is going to be so cool. It's got like a jute twine. It's a braid. Okay, see the side of it. You can see that it's actually braided over here. That's the back, and the front is this. So it's a jute twine braided with this kind of green leaf vine. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so many uses, right? And look how much I got. So it came in this little Ziploc bag. And let's see, there's a lot on here. I mean, this is a ton. And there's 4 of these little spools in there. Wow, I had no idea. That is going to be so much fun to use in journals, or you could use this for the tie closure on tags, just all kinds of things, cards, journal cards, pockets, just really everything. You could use that on wherever, nature journal, a fairy journal, any of that kind of stuff. So let's see. I'm kind of really excited to see what this is. So I ordered these. I think these are envelopes, and they're craft colored. So let's see. It's a little kit. So interesting looking. So look at these they're individually wrapped. Oh, aren't these cool? Yeah, I don't remember because it's almost like you can go down a deep rabbit hole on bbcraft.com, and there's so many items. So, I'll look and look and look at pages and pages and pages, and then I'll search sometimes. They have a way to search. You can search a certain thing. You can search paper. You can search envelopes. You can search beads, just, trims, lace, whatever. I don't remember if I put a certain search in for these. Okay, so I see there's different designs here. So there's 2 of these, sunflower, purple flower, a little pink flower, another little different pink flower. Let's see, another pink flower, sunflower, green, pink, and purple. Okay, what is this? 8 different types of flowers here with the little packet. So let's see what's in the packet. Let me see. I want to look at, it doesn't really matter. Let's look at this one here. So it's a little envelope that you can, one of these cellophane envelopes that you can open up like this. And what is in here? So cute. Okay, so let's take everything out. Stick into the little flap there. Okay, so this is everything that's in one of the little packets. So it's a little packet here. See, it's like a little envelope. So you can leave it like this. I'm thinking you can leave it like this, or you can glue it together like an envelope. And here's a little card in here, which could be decorated and used as your journaling spot. Everything has to be, everything I usually, figure out a way to use it in my journals or in my jewelry crafting. So here's if it was, okay, I see. So even if you glued it together, here is a little punch out here. So I think you punch that out. And then here is, see, here's the flap. And then, oh, okay, I get it. So I think you punch this out all the way or partially. Oh, punches out partially. Okay, that's what I was thinking. So I think you're supposed to kind of fasten this, see, through that little hole right there, and get the other one. Okay, maybe flip it up, Sherry. Just figuring this out. First time I ordered these. So, okay, so you flip those up so you can push them through. the little hole. Hello. Yes. Doesn't that work nice? And you push it back down and there's a little closure for your envelope. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I would probably leave it open so that it can be, you know, easily opened and closed. And then you could actually glue this down in as a pocket or a, you know, little flip up, flip down type thing. You could actually write in here if it was glued on a page. You could write in here and also have an extra little spot in there. And you could decorate this. You could even decorate this if you wanted to. And, you know, just so many options, right? But isn't that cute so far? Let's see. Let's put it back together and see what else we're going to do with it here, because we got other goodies in this little packet. So this says especially for you. So if I was using this in a journal, I could put this here or here. It would fit both spaces. Or you could put it inside as a little surprise message. And then you have some twine, jute twine. It's a thin one. See? And you could actually, I've done this before where I've used some kind of baker's twine or something, and if I glue it down, I will glue it down under my whatever I'm gluing down, like a little envelope or something, and then use this still as a tie in my journal. So I would tie it on like that and just have a fun little tie. And you also have a pretty flower here to decorate. Let's see, it's got wire here, and let me open it up and see what we got. What we got here. Let's see how this opens. I don't want to tear anything or rip anything, but I want to open it up carefully. Okay, so just open it up and unfold the little petals and everything. And isn't that going to be pretty? Kind of just fluff it up probably. And there you go, with a little decoration for your pocket. And you could, let me see, I'm going to have to work with this a little bit, and I'll do some demonstration videos. I'm just trying to like get a little look at what I got here. So I'm trying to see if I can flatten it out, you know what I mean, because it's going to be in a journal, and I like, you know, how we like everything to be kind of flat and not add too much bulk to our journals. So I think there probably is a way to flatten that out. I just might not do it right now. And you could always cut off this wire if you don't want it, or use the wire to tie it onto something. But isn't that a cute little set? And, you know, I've got all of these here that came in this little envelope set. So isn't that cute? Let me see what it says on the envelope here. Yeah, I will have all the product links in my description box, along with BB Crafts link to their website and the coupon code for you. So yeah, just if you go over there, just use my coupon code, because then they'll know you got it from me. So I got two more things here. Let's open up this too. I'm really anxious. I never ordered anything like this before, ever. So I've ordered, you know, beads and things, but not a kit. This is a little jewelry like making kit. So I thought it would be fun, because I'm kind of learning how to make jewelry. You know, I'm kind of teaching myself and watching videos and things. So I thought, you know, and I've done a few things, and so I thought a little kit would be helpful. So you can see it comes in this nice little plastic box here. Keep everything together. And what do you get? Let's see. So this was an earring kit. And so let me see what is in the box here. Oh, there's instructions in the box. Okay, that's what I was wondering. So it came with this box, and there's instructions right here, I believe. So let's see real quick, and I'll be demonstrating these separately, but see, here's all the earrings you can make. Isn't that cool? If you ever wanted to learn how to make earrings, I mean, you know, I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but the one jewelry I always wear every day is earrings, right? So I might not bother to get a necklace or a bracelet out, but I always get my earrings on, right? So this is step-by-step instructions, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that all the way. And there is the examples of what you know, could make. And here's all the different parts. So let's see. Yeah, I see this right here. See this one? This one right here. And here's the little, oh, aren't these cute? See, I picked turquoise. You notice that? I was like, that's so pretty. Here's a little like compass looking piece. And here's a little turquoise looking, almost like, oh, it looks like an old coin. That one does. It has like a picture of a, let me see if I can show you, because it's hard to see even in person, but it's got a picture of a person on there. So that's that little cubby hole. And this cubby hole, it has these two pieces. Oh, these are so pretty. I am really going to enjoy this. Now I can't wait to make these and then get some more kits, because it makes it so much easier than trying to pick out individual things. And I know they had more than one kit there on the website. So there's two pieces that you can make earrings out of in there. And then this one. So I'll tell you, I haven't really mentioned it, but I started a second YouTube channel because I want to learn how to make jewelry. I just don't have a lot of time. So as I have, like, I'm not doing videos over there every day or anything. I just don't have time for that. But as I have time, I will put a new video over there when I'm making. And sometimes I'll do it for this channel and my jewelry channel. You know what I mean? It's called Jewelry Crafts with Sheree. And I'll go ahead and put a link below if you, I mean, there's a few things over there, but I think there's only one thing that I haven't put on this channel over there. And then as I go, I will be doing more over there when I have time. Okay, here's the two bits here. Seahorse and a tree. So cute, right? I love these. Oh, and look at the beads here. Okay, so we got some beads in here, like turquoise and gold. Yeah, you got little beads on the wires there. So here's a little turquoisey bead and a, oops, got two turquoisey beads. Trying to get a gold one out of here. And a little gold one right there. Let's see how they're, let me show you this again. See how they have them, the little beads on the earring hooks. Very cool. Oops, I got a turquoise bead stuck on my hand. Okay, and then there's these little leaves. And I can, wow, these remind me of the leaves I got, the filigree little metal leaves. Are they metal? They're actually metal. Yes, they are. These are metal leaves. They almost have a little tint of turquoise on there, don't they? Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? And then here's all the little earring hooks right here. See these little type of hooks? And I think I've had maybe one pair of earrings like this before, but I'm going to try these out. And you don't have to worry about having an earring back with these. And you don't have to worry about them coming out of your ears because they're totally hooked there. Okay, so that's going to be so fun. I can't wait to do that. So yeah, if you want to, you know, do me a favor and go over and subscribe to my jewelry channel, that would help me out because I think I have, thank you for the 3 subscribers that I have over there, but it's just getting started. You know how it is. If you've ever seen anyone or started a YouTube channel, it's slow going at first. So yeah, that would help me a lot to get started over there, just to have some subscribers and some likes on those videos. Okay, so this is the fourth and last thing that I got. And I tried to order one set from them and they were out of stock, so I went to this one and it had the same things but more, you know, more than I wanted. So they gave me this one, even though I spent more than I was supposed to, since they didn't have the original one that I tried to order. It was out of stock. They let me get this one, so I went over my budget, their allowed budget, and they let me because, you know, like I said, the other one was out of stock. But these are dies. So we're going to see which one of these fits through my little Sizzix sidekick. So I don't want to give you too much glare here or take too much more of your time. But if we can look at these real quick, the reason I got these, I wanted these, was for a couple of reasons. For one, a nice subby of mine sent me some tags that I've been hoarding and I haven't hardly used any of them because they're made from these they're made, I believe, from these. So that inspired me because they're so cute with the little, see how they have the little stitching around? These have it too. These all have it. So this is going to be so fun. But you put it through your little die cut machine and you get that little kind of stitched looking mark on it. And I think that's going to be, I mean, it is so cool because my one subby sent me oodles of little tags and things with this stitched border. So that's one. Let me see, where's my, I'm going to put it back in the bag for now anyway and keep them nice. So let's see. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sets in here. So this is the other one. don't know if you can see through the glare here, so I'm going to take them out of these cellophane bags real quick and show you. So I don't know if I'll ever get a bigger die cut machine, but I figured some of these will fit. I think I measured in my little Sizzix Sidekick is about 2.5 inches. I can fit through that little slot, you know what I mean? And I got some new, whatchamacallit, little pads or whatever, the plastic pads that you put through there. I got some new ones, so, and then I got these. I'm going to be experimenting. Look at the little square in the middle. Wow, that that will be interesting. But yeah, that's another shape. So we got this shape. See how different they are? That shape and that shape, and they have the stitches around. Then here is a square. So yeah, that one has a tiny square. That's weird that they didn't put that little tiny square in this one, but whatever. I'm not the manufacturer. Well, I don't know if I can get this one open. Where's the little opening? I don't see it. This doesn't open like that. Maybe you have to cut this one. Oh, here it is. It's this way. I wasn't looking in the right side. Okay, so this one, little squares. So I guess you punch all these. See, I'm not a die cut expert. I've only done a few. I've only ordered one before, a flower, and I did that on video, but I guess you punch these. I'm not going to punch this one out. The first one I'm going to try is the tags, but look at that. All the little stitches around there. So cool. I should have got my, maybe I will in the next video, or when I demonstrate these, I'll show you the ones that my subby sent me, because they're so cute. The cutest things. I haven't used. I should get them out and use them. I'm going to have to, but oh, this one came in a Ziploc bag. So this is the ones I really wanted, the tags. I'm going to use all of these because they're so cool, but this is what I really wanted. Oh, and I saw Aaliyah get these a long time ago too. These little tag die cuts. And I was like, wow, that is the cutest thing with those little stitch marks around. I just thought it was the coolest thing. I don't know, I still do. Okay, so there's the tags. And this is what my subby sent me. Little tags made from like this one right here. Let me break it off. Yeah, I'm sure you take this off. Wow, that's really hard metal, but yeah. Okay, so there it is. There's one, the tiniest one. And you got the little stitch marks, and you even have a little hole mark, a little hole right there. You even have a little hole. Isn't that cool? So I'll have, I think all of these will fit. Let me see. Let me measure real quick. Whoops. Yeah, I think that's what I measured, 2.5. So we'll see. It should fit. This is 2.5 inches wide. So all of these should fit through my die cut machine. And then like this one, 2.5. So I'll be able to use the, let's see. I'll be able to use the inner about 4 of those. And probably about the same, about 4 and let's see this one. 2.5, 2.5. So the inner, probably the inner 1, 2, yeah, about 4. The inner 4 seems to be the 2.5 inch and smaller. So that's everything I got this time. I was really careful. I've been being really careful to make sure it's things I could use in my journals and in my jewelry crafting, and things, you know, that I really, really needed. And I've been, you know, kind of wanting these for a long time. And then when I saw them on the website, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get these. So anyway, I will be just demonstrating these, and I hope you enjoyed the things I picked out this time. And I'll be doing 2 more videos, sorry. And if you want to join or apply for the YouTube program for BB Craft, I'll have that link below. Also, you just have to have 100 subscribers, and you know, you apply, and then you can order things from BB Craft. So once you get to go ahead from them. And so thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed all my goodies, and see you next time. Happy crafting.